It's a damn shame I got all these lashes. Like, I don't even wear lashes. I don't even know how to put them on half the time. But guess what? We're about to try them on today. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a lash haul slash try on. So yeah, I have some lashes that I got from a local person, and then I also have some lashes that I got from like my local CVS, Walgreens, one of them. I think it's CVS, but I'll make sure to try to link everything. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to link the ones that I got from her. Now, if you haven't already, and this is like your second video, hi, my name's Msjaniece, and I would love for you to stay and watch some more videos, okay? No, but yeah, so I just actually recorded my BoxyCharm box. I didn't put any lashes on because I wanted this look to stay and for us to play with the lashes. So that's what we're going to do. Hopefully I don't have to actually put like lash glue on them and they kind of stick on by themselves. So this video is going to be somewhat quick, hopefully painless. I want to show them first. I think I lost one. Where'd they go? 2, 3. I'm tripping. They are over there. So the ones that I got from the girl are pretty bold, okay? The ones I got from the store are more on my type of thing. So, but I wanted to be a little extra this year, a little more feminine this year. Try some lashes out. I do the eyelash extensions, but I wanted to give my lashes a break from that. So I wanted to get some little stripper dips of some, like, you know, some little whatnots I can just throw on the eyes. So we're gonna go, like, I love Kiss lashes. I really do. I got like some in the back, but these are new ones that I haven't tried on or anything. So these are gonna be like first impressions and everything, like live raw impressions on how these actually look. So I have the Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push Up. This is in Teddy. This is what Teddy looks like. Yo, that took way much longer than I expected. But here is Teddy. I'm not the best at putting lashes on, y'all, so I'm still learning. Next up is Opulence. And this is what Opulence looks like. And it comes in a really, like, cool case. So we'll try that on next. Okay, so here is Opulence. Opulence is probably more of a dramatic type of lash. Y'all, like, again, I told y'all I'm horrible at it, and I got to take these babies off. So if y'all see a little gap, that's my bad. But here's what it look like. Trying to look down so y'all can really see it. Okay, so now we're about to get into like the lashes that I got from the girl. Those were the 2 store ones. Like I said, I got from CVS. This is Teddy and this is Opulence. They're both Kiss Lash Couture, but this one is the 5th Avenue collection. So again, I'll be sure to link those down below. So the next one that I'm gonna do, it doesn't have a name or anything. It just says Eyelash 17. They're super duper pretty. But like in the front, you can see they're like thin, and then as they go out, they ombre out. So definitely, I would say, I don't know, maybe like the same length. Let's try this one on. So here is these ones. These ones, I would say, they're kind of like the Teddy ones. They're just a bit longer. Get really in there. I didn't put any glue on these ones, and I'm gonna look down so you can see. So I like these ones. I don't feel like they're too much. I definitely enjoy these ones. Next one, let's do this one because it's like I'm trying to level up as I go. So this one doesn't have a name on it at all, but it's like a wispy, and I love wispy lashes because these are kind of wispy. They have the gaps, but these have super gaps. And my eyelashes are already like low-key, high-key thick. Like I have a nice natural lashes. So I figured I could get some of these type of lashes. But we about to see because I've never worn this type. So these are... I don't like these too much. Again, I didn't put any glue or anything on it because for the most part, they are, you know... my eyelids are already like gluey from the first two. So different, definitely different, but I don't like that you can like see that part. So I would say these are more like a party type of lash. I don't know if you, I don't know what I would do with these. Like drop a comment below, what would you do with these lashes? All right, so we have some more wispies because I told y'all I like wispies, and so I wanted some like long ones. It says C10, and this is what these ones look like. I think I'm gonna like these more than the last ones for the plain simple fact you can't really see like up on the band that close, but we shall see. Yo, this is like the girl's lashes that was on the boat. But I like these. I'm not gonna lie. Like, they're super dramatic, but like, you see what I'm talking about? Like, the band part isn't super thick. So, let me look down. I like these ones. These ones are cute. I can bop in these a little bit. And last but not least are these. It says beautiful eyelashes, soft and ordinary black series. Still doesn't say a name or anything like that, but it does say T1. So if you see these, that's what these are. And these are like a normal lash, they just longer. So here's this one. I won't blink a lot because this one is hanging on by a thread. But I like this one too. Like if you're doing like a bold eyeshadow, I feel like the big ones are like best for you, because when you do like a little lash and you have like a cut crease this like with hella glitter or something like that, at least with something like this, like you can see like the specks and stuff like that peeking through. So here's it down. And that is the last one. So in conclusion, I pretty much really liked all the lashes except for that one, except for this one. My favorite ones might actually be this one. They're a little bit longer than Teddy, but I like the way it kind of ombres out, and I like the last ones as well. So yeah, guys, if you really enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a comment below. Let me know where some good other lashes are. I'm not into like the super long ones. I love wispy lashes and like a nice like ombre out effect. So if you guys have any lashes that you guys like, these are your ride or die lashes, you can reuse them, Like I said, I don't wear long lashes, so this is like my first time little investment in these lashes. So again, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, love, and happiness.